Hi all friend. Yeah, my name is Kim, and you can also call me backyard mechanic. Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to install the LED light on 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Is okay. Let's start it. First of all, we need to remove the bulb. Okay. Let me show you. It's hard to show you a little bit. You just check it out. See, it's come out. It's a new LED light, HIKARI. Very good one. Let's install it. Boom. Just install both sides first before we plug it. You see? Oh, I don't know. You can see much clearly on the bottom or not. This camera a little bit. Okay. Let me take it out. I'm gonna put a new one on it. It's one blocking. You cannot. I don't know. You guys can see it. You gotta wash it. The washer thing block it. Let me turn on the headlight switch first. This car I already installed the headlight. You see, nice and nice, very nice. Let me plug the fog light. Plug it. Yeah, it is what it is. Very shine, very nice. Let me plug one more side. Both sides plug in, nice and shine. Okay, thank you for watching.